Hello friends, welcome to Acquireias. Today we are going to see how to use Thinker'S ideas in mains answer writing initiatives. Right friends, especially in ethics. As we all know that quotes are important for mains answer writing initiatives. Next we see here you can download the daily newspaper analysis from our Telegram channel, and you can call me for this following number for getting a personal guidance friends. Right, next we see further here you can join WhatsApp group for mains answer writing on daily basis and initiatives. Right friends, next you can follow me on my Facebook page. You can subscribe blog for getting an interesting articles regarding personality development and other UPSC related articles friends. Next you can join Telegram channel for getting interesting and various other kind of PDF. Right friends, so next we move further and the links will be given in the description box. Right, so here, so let me take you here. Let me first tell you how to use this friends. Right, so whenever you are writing even the paper 1 2 3 4 any paper friends, right, so any paper, so you should note that in each and every answer you should write at least one quote friends. Right friends, at least one quote, because it will give some other angle for your answer. Right friends, so here this is most important part of the mains answer writing. And for getting quotes, you should not just browse the websites, but you should know what kind of, which thinker he said about, or she said about something, like Plato said about the women's empowerment, and Plato said about the education, Plato said about the freedom, Plato said about the democracy. So you should think about that and you should keep note on it. Right friends, so this is an introduction. Now we will see what kind of codes which are there, and you have to implement in your own way. I'm just providing you the codes friends. Right, so let us begin. So I think you understood friends how to use these codes. Right friends, if you have any doubts you can do comment sections, let me know that. And if you're thinking that I should explain these all things, even that you can tell me in the comment sections. Right friends, so do like the video and do subscribe the channel, share as much as with your friends, right. So that is it for this video. Thank you very much.